In this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how I made $50,213 just by promoting affiliate links on Twitter. I will share with you step by step which affiliate services I was promoting on Twitter. I'm going to share with you for beginners how we can start step by step, how we can join Fiverr affiliate to make some money like this. I have been doing this business for over 2 years, and in today's video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start and how you can and which I'm going to show you everything I know about Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to make some serious money like this. And I'm not selling you any courses or any coaching program. I will share this for free, of course. You just need to copy and paste this method and start making money. Okay, it's easy and simple. So let's get started. So what you will do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is really super easy and simple. It will take just a few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do, you will come to this page and you will scroll down. Just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, click on affiliate. It's gonna take you to this website of Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, to this page, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, but before we do that, let's scroll down to show you how much you will earn for those services. If we click over here on see commission, you can see over here commission plan, and you can see that you can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money. If it's just one person buy service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. Okay, so what you will do, let's go back to this home page to Fiverr affiliate website, click on join now, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. As you can see, what you need to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, and your password, and account type, make it private. You will answer few questions over here, and you need to choose your country and choose your language over here. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and you will answer next few questions, and it's really easy and will take just few minutes from your time. After you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page. Go back to your home page on Fiverr. Now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Twitter to earn commission. This is one of my profitable services that I have been promoting on Twitter, and I will also show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. So click on the search for developer, search for developer like this, and scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated sellers. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so what you will do, let's choose good sellers from here. Okay, so let me see, I will do JavaScript, sweeping, and more pro. Okay, this one also looking really good. He is by Fiverr choice, as you can see, and he has a lot of reviews, 5-star. So what you will do, let's choose this one. I will click on his service because he has a lot of reviews. Okay, and as you can see he has 24 orders in queue, so people are using this seller. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy his profile link and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click, so let me show you, click over here on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and it's gonna take you to this page. I already have this page ready, so to save time, click over here, put this profile seller link here and click over here, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So this is also your affiliate link, and this one also is your affiliate links. Fiverr Hey Breed. You can click over here and you can check this one. This one also will promote Fiverr affiliate links like this, and you get commission of $10 and 10% revenue share for 12 months. Okay, for every new buyer. Okay, so those three are your affiliate links. Okay, this one also is your affiliate link, but for me I choose this one, CPA, because this one has a high commission. Okay, I can earn a lot of money using this one. Okay, so this is your affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Twitter. So let's go to Twitter. So if you don't have an account on Twitter yet, go to Google and search for Twitter like this. Click on the first link over here, and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is really easy and simple, guys. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, what you need to do, click on the search for I need developer, search for this keyword, I need developer. Okay, and here you go, you will find a lot of people here are searching for developer. For example, let's see if we can find a good I need developer. Click over here on latest so we can see. Okay, and here you go, you can see over here I need a developer WordPress. This one is looking for developer. Okay, let's scroll down, you can find a lot of people here looking for developer. Okay, so let me see. Chris, you need developer. So if you keep scrolling down, you can find a lot of people. So let me see over here, I need some extra skills to get translate. Let's take for example this first one. Okay, this one over here, I need developer. So you can, if you keep searching for I need developer every day and you click over here on latest, you will find a lot of people who are searching for developer. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on reply. So we find just this person. If I keep, it will take time, but if you keep scrolling, okay, if you keep scrolling, you can find a lot of people searching for developer. So for example, what you will do, like I said, click on reply, go back to this seller page that you copy his profile link, and you need to copy his title. Okay, I'm gonna copy his title, and they will go back to Twitter and they will put this title over here, and they will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link from here and they will put this affiliate link here. Okay, and they will click on reply, and your affiliate link will be sent to this person who is looking for developer. So if this person is still looking for developer for his website, he will click on my affiliate link, for example like this. He will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. He will click on continue and he will buy this service from my affiliate link and I will earn commission. It's really easy and simple, and like I said guys, if you give it time and you keep searching and scroll down, you can find a lot of people here searching for developer. Okay, as you can see, so those people are searching for developer to make website and so on. So that's how we can promote affiliate links on Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.